Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. For today's video, I will be bringing you a bit of cleaning motivation. I am cleaning up my kitchen and living room, and I'm bringing you guys along with me. So let's get our homes back in order. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
You're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on.
As you guys can see, I'm really not talking in this video, and I did that on purpose because I really wanted you guys to get motivated and clean a part of your home, whatever it is, however small it is, just to help you feel better. I know it gets overwhelming, especially if you have kids. You can't sit there and clean the whole house, and it gets very frustrating, at least for me. But just having even one room clean, whether it be the kitchen, living room, a bathroom, it doesn't matter. Just as long as I have one room clean, I kind of feel like I did something for the day. I don't know, but just wanted to jump on here to let you guys know that it's okay to have a messy home. Also, the reason I'm not really talking is because, one, the kids are asleep and it's late at night. This is the only time that I had to do this voiceover. And also, my neighbors are popping fireworks. They do this every year. They start popping fireworks a month before 4th of July and like a month after. It seriously drives me crazy, and it's so irritating because it freaks out my dog. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have that same problem where you live.
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh. feel alive? Do you know I'm going crazy for you tonight? Summer's around the corner. I want this night to be over. Summer's around the corner. How can we make this last forever? Make this our endless Won't you take me for a ride? I would love the feeling of the wind in my hair while speeding on the highway down by the sea. We go on and on and on. Listen to us tears go by in the very first summer night, and we know it has just started. On and on and on. When you close your eyes, do you feel alive? Do you know I'm going crazy for you tonight? Summer's around the corner. I want this night to be over. Summer's around the corner. How can we make this last forever? Make this our endless Summer's around the corner.
I know I said I wasn't going to talk much in this video, but we're actually almost done. But I quickly wanted to mention that I know my living room isn't decorated for any type of season right now. In all honesty, I am waiting for the fall season. I know, we're only on the second week of summer, but I don't care. I cannot wait to see my living room and kitchen filled with pumpkins and Halloween and Christmas stuff. I don't know, I'm just so excited. But anyhow, that white thing that you saw me put behind my TV is an antenna. We got that from my mom because we don't have cable, and she comes to help me once a week with the kids, and God forbid she doesn't see her novela, so that is for her. But anyhow, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch today's video. I hope that I motivated you, and I hope you cleaned along with me and got something done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.